Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part two. I failed to mention that these slots need to be changed also, the bottom slots. Not that big a deal since they're on the bottom, but if you look, they are 1 point or 0.15. They need to be 0.125. And the easiest way to do this would be to put it in the center of the page for a couple reasons, and it's well, it doesn't really matter. We'll put them both in the center of the page, but I'm going to go to Object and break the curve apart, and then I can grab each one. And you can see right here is 1.5. So with your ratio unlocked, you can grab all those and see it's 1.5. You can go 0.125, and it changed them all. And then with this ratio, it's still unlocked, go 0.125. And what I want to do, I should have done this before. I'm going to make a duplicate of this guy and move it out of the way. And I'll show you why. Now we're going to break the curve apart and do this. And this way it's just kind of a way to check it. Whoop. You know what, I didn't select that one. I'm having trouble looking at the screen and pressing the right buttons. And what I mean by checking it, we'll show you in just a second, or I'll show you in just a second, to make sure that you didn't move them anywhere, because the ratio is unlocked, it shouldn't move. And then let's group this together, and then let's make this one red. So that's the old one, and we're going to hit P, put it in the center of the page. And that way you can just see that it didn't change them lengthwise, it just changed them widthwise. So then take that one away, change this to a red hairline. We'll make sure it says, see, it's not. So you're going to want to check all that when you're doing that to make sure everything's a hairline. Nope, nothing's a hairline. So you're going to want to convert everything to a hairline. And this is the real one, so we can delete that. And you can make them all a hair. And there's my test from yesterday. You could grab all these. And even though it says several fields, you can double click on it and make them all a hairline at one time. And at this time, I'd make them all red, just so you'll know it's a cut line. Well, it won't let me. You can make them all, well, we can. We can just right-click that. So now you got a hairline, and I made a complete copy, like I always do. So you just delete that, and there's all your parts. And you might want to test that joint also. Even though the wood's 1.25, you're going to sand off some burn residue. So the male end of that's going to be sanded, so it should fit perfectly. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.